Sorry about that. Had a phone call. But we got this. And we go. Take a look at the goodies. We got the mic right here. Microphone check. We got the sponge filter. And now here comes the main course. Ooh. These are nice. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. Got a nice 3D pattern. Do not eat this. Make sure your kids don't eat it. We'll hop in the other room in a second, test them out. Teleport over. Red Rover, Red Rover. Let's get this rolling. Ooh, these are nice ones. Something new. On out. Why are you being stubborn? There we go. Ooh. Watch out. Look at these. Bling bling. There it goes here. Clean up a second. And take this off. Put it in the box. There we go. Look at that. Okay, flexible. Got that flex going. G4 TE. This is where the RGB does its action. Really nice. Oh, we got some goodies in here. USB and all that good stuff. Here's the remote control. Kind of looks like an iPod. Oh, come on. Oh, battery's getting low, so I gotta hurry up and do this. And there's the USB. Nice long cord. Good. Oh yeah. Don't have to worry about your animals chewing on it. Should be a good one. Right here are the control buttons. On, off. Microphone right there. Microphone check. Yeah, this is nice. Edifier. And now, teleport. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing coming from my good friends over at Edifier. Oh, baby. We got a G4 TE 7-point surround sound USB gaming headset. Got the RGBs. G4. RGB 7.1. Definitely like this company a lot. They do packaging really well. Great presentation. And like I said, definitely could always use an extra headset, especially now. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. If you guys want this for fast free shipping, click the link, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship this to you fast. PC, Mac, PS4, Xbox, G4. This is a nice one right here. We got all the good stuff. RGB light switch, LED microphone switch, volume control. Got the USB. There's a mic right there. The USB, PS4, Xbox, TVs. But this could be your permanent gaming headset. So I mean, definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. But here we go. Pull her out. And here we go. sounds. Hey guys, I got it hooked up to my PS4 through the USB right there. It's the black one. The blue one's my hard drive. And look at that. Excuse the dust if you guys see any. I gotta clean up the dust today. I hate dust. But look at, I installed the sponge for the filter on the mic. I got both sides RGB. These are really comfortable to wear. You won't get no air sweat through these guys. So you could do your 12-hour challenges, 24-hour challenges, no problem. You can knock them out in one night. Look at that though. Really sweet. I'm going to test them out because I haven't tried them on yet, and kind of definitely excited for this. I haven't been on a PS4 in a long time. So I might do Twitch tonight with Call of Duty. So I got the old one still. I think this is the old one, but I got the new one. Oh no! I got the new one coming, so I'm gonna order that one tonight. The new one. But I want to hear the sound. I got that going. Put you guys down for a sec. Whoops. And there we go. Got that going. Got the remote right here. RGB. Sound, volume. Whoa. I wish you guys could hear these. These sound amazing. I mean, it's kind of hard to hear. But definitely, guys, check them out. Get one for yourself, for a friend. Get a couple. It's always good to have backup. So, really cool. 7.1 stereo surround sound. Perfect for games like Call of Duty. You name it. Madden, everything else. Fortnite. Minecraft. This would be perfect for any games. Got the PS4 right there. Xbox you could use, and your PC gaming. So definitely check these guys out, YouTubers. Be safe, have a good day, and I'll see you guys later tonight.